Hi folks, this is all the fruit. I'm on the beautiful island of Gran Canaria, and here I have something the people here call Mandarina Pais, or country mandarins. I don't know if they come from the desert like southwest of the island or from the more temperate northeast, but since I found them all in one box on the market of Las Palmas, I guess they come from one orchard. They look quite different, so I think they might come from at least two different... oh god, okay, the piglet is here. I was so scared, something brushed against my foot. It's the pig eating the chair. Okay, everything cool. Well, anyways, country mandarins, what are those? Well, basically a seedling mandarin. Not a grafted variety, but people find the seedlings somewhere, or they sow seedlings for rootstock, for grafting, and then they find that the fruit of the rootstock also tastes quite good, and so they preserve them, but they are not any officially accepted variety. I kind of suspect they are from two different trees, because they are those small bright orange ones and those big, well, not so bright orange ones, which look almost a little bit like an ugly fruit. Yeah, ugly is an actual name for a very ugly citrus fruit. Well, let's try them. They definitely seem ripe enough. Yeah, nice soft skin, nice soft flesh. The look and the feeling of the small ones is already quite good. Taste-wise, they are okay. Not the best mandarins I ever had, but edible. I like mandarins which are easy to peel. In this case, yeah, that fits. I like mandarins without seeds. They seem to have no seeds. I like mandarins which are easy to separate. Yeah, it's basically falling apart in my hands. I like mandarins which are sweet. This one is not too sweet, but still okay. I like mandarins which are sour, but not too sour. Yeah, the sourness is fine. Just would like some more sweetness. Let's try one fruit which is most probably from the same tree. Same thing, quite easy to separate. Seedless, not bad. Now let's try the big ones. Also quite easy to peel, and quite easy to separate. They look nice. They actually look more orange inside than outside. More sour. Maybe they were picked a little bit underripe. I mean, with those citrus fruits which don't turn bright orange, it's a little bit difficult to find out when they are really ripe. You need to know your trees to know when they are really ripe. And if somebody who doesn't know the trees very well picks the fruit, they might pick it a little bit underripe. I think this might have benefited from a week or two longer on the tree. But not bad, definitely. Okay, folks. Well, I could compare them to a mandarin I bought in Germany and took on the plane, and actually it has been lying around here for a month. Well, let's compare them to a month-old mandarin. It's a bit harder to peel, but with two hands it wouldn't be a problem at all. With one hand it is a bit of a problem, but still soft enough. There's a bit more mandarin flavor. Those were also quite flavorful, as I notice right now. But it's not really sweeter, but still edible. Let's compare them to another thing that was sold to me as Mandarina del Pais, but which I would call a country tangelo, because it has this peck I associate with tangelos. well, a bit more sweet, but still mild. Yeah, so all those things, the Mandarina Pais, the Tangerine Pais, the Mandarin I brought on the plane from Germany, they all have one in common: they are not very sweet. I guess either they are not really high quality varieties, or maybe they were picked a bit underripe. In case of this one, probably ripened with ethylene in a warehouse. In case of those, just picked underripe, and taste-wise they're okay, but not too good. Or maybe they also grew in the mountain areas of the north of Gran Canaria with a lot of clouds and fog. Anyway, this is a comparison of mostly country mandarins from the island of Gran Canaria. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful island of Gran Canaria. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.